Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's Moon box for October 2021. I was going to wait till Halloween, but I got too excited, and I actually got home before dark today. Guys, I'm so pleased. So I decided to take this time and just film really quick. My husband's running an errand, my son is tired after karate, and so he's quietly watching television, and I have a few moments to spend with you, and so I love you. I'm so happy that we get to check in. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please stay tuned because I still am planning on going live on Halloween to talk with you guys because I miss you, and I hope you miss me. So this is a very interesting back of the card. Healing. Candle flame, burn the sour, bring to me your healing power. Yes, please, I'll take that. Protectress of the Veil. Ooh. I don't have time for social media either, so I haven't actually seen any sneak peeks of this box. Whispers in the Night. Medusa. Wow. Medusa. Wow. I'm very interested in where this is going. So we got our incense. It is the veil. We've got our candle. It's very dark blue or black. Let me get a glimpse at it. Beautiful. Okay. Our herbs are yellow dock, bird's foot, fenugreek. Fenugreek is bird's foot, that's cool. And Epazote! I grew Epazote in my garden. It's really good anti-gas medicine. And so one of the nice ways that you can do it is cook it in like your black beans or whatever, and it adds a really lovely flavor and also helps with gas. So I have not seen Epazote's magical properties touted anywhere before here. I mean, mainstream. Samhain. Oh my gosh, it smells like pumpkin spice, or like, maybe not pumpkin spice exactly, but like herbalicious, like the season, I guess. What do we got here? We've got our oil. I wonder if I'll take a yummy bath, but probably not because Medusa spilled a little tiny bit, which is uncommon for them. It's not common for them, guys, so just FYI. And it didn't leak out of the bag, that's why it's in these little plastics. Let's see what we got here. The reason is, in the winter months I get really dry skin, and so I'm going to take a shower in the morning after I go to the gym. So I don't like to do 2 showers in 24 hours. Or, yeah, no, 12 hours. It's less than 12 hours because I'm going to go to the gym at 5:30 in the morning. Same thing for my hair. Oh my gosh, I have super curly, dry hair, ethnic hair. And so it is absolutely not good in the cold for me to do that to my hair. I really don't wash my hair super often. All right, let's see what we got here. There we go. Wow. It's heavy. Very cool. Let's read about it. As we step into this sacred season, we begin to truly rely on our practices to assist us in obtaining meaningful whispers of guidance. With the veil thinning, we delve deep into our connections with our ancestral and spiritual guides. While working with these guides, we call upon very specific energies for fierce protection and guardianship. We confidently walk into the dark half of the year, working with the shadows to realize our intentions and refine our interpretations and understanding. We have been working on this very exclusive and one-of-a-kind collection for over a year, and cannot wait to finally bring these items to our subscriber this coming Samhain. Exclusive brass Medusa plaque was designed for the Witch's Moon for this very collection. Her tragic magical history of Medusa is very dear to us. Strong protective energies. So call on the guardian to watch over us as we work with divine and feminine energies, communicate with spirit guides as well as ancestors, and work on protective spells. And then it goes on about the myth. I'm sure you've seen it. It's actually really tragic. It's not my favorite. You know, it really portrays the gods as capricious. Basically, Medusa was raped by Poseidon in Athena's temple, and instead of, I'm guessing, punishing Poseidon was beyond Athena's ability, because instead she cursed Medusa. Yeah, so Medusa Book of Shadows artwork, hand-rolled Whispers of the Night spell candle, intention of enhancing the magic that surrounds you during Samhain, communicate with ancestors and spirit guides through meditative and divinatory practices. So it's got cedarwood, sandalwood, and jasmine. Very cool. Whispers of the Night Book of Shadows artwork to go with the spell candle. Medusa Magical Anointing Oil for protection and safety, especially from psychic attacks and intruders. It's got Lang Lang, Anise, Vanilla, Patchouli, and Cedar with lavender, patchouli, and dandelion herbs. Flower Agate Stone. Oh, mine only has a few flower agates. I've actually got some really beautiful ones of these in my collection that are shaped like a star and a moon. Found with chalcedony inclusions, mark the features of the flower. This special form of agate is truly beautiful and carries the immense abilities to assist us during the time. So even though, I mean, this isn't like my favorite example of it, I do like having the information about it, and so that's really helpful. Yellow dock root, medicinal beneficial herb, digestive support, and distinct cleansing properties. Epazote, another cleansing and digestive promoting herb. Epazote is well known for its deep history in Latin America and indigenous herbal remedies. Magically, it works to digest the hardship of life and clears away any negative and stagnant energy. It is said that Epazote is associated with the underworld. Fenugreek, money spells and sachets. It has a unique quality of enhancing growth of all kinds. The veil, ritual incense sticks. Samhain, celebratory sacred salt. It has clove, star anise, and amber oils with yarrow, vervain, and mugwort herbs. Wonderful. A personalized oracle reading, and it's the Magical Spell Cards deck by Lucy Cavendish. Very cool. And then, of course, parchment paper. I absolutely love this box, and what I love about it is even after all these years getting it, it's never the same. It's always different. There's always a new topic or idea. They work really, really hard to just make sure that, you know, they keep it fresh. Some people complain that they are very formulaic, but you know, they don't. It's not a secret that they always include an oil, and you know, or you know, typically that they include an oil and a candle and incense and 3 herbs. I mean, if you did a little research, I mean, you can watch my page and you'll see that that is basically consistently how this rolls for years. So that's one of my things that I recommend to you, and that's why I started making these videos, is because when I wanted to get into witchy subscription boxes, when I learned what they were, I had the worst time finding videos, unboxings that were what I wanted. And what I want is to see the box, not this young lady's lovely face. I hate that. That's why I film mine the way that I do. And of course, you do you, boo-boo. If that's how you film yours, and that's how you film yours, and all power to you. God bless you, you know, whatever. But for me, when I see an unboxing, I want to see what's in this fucking box. I'm not here for you. I'm here for the box. But it's funny because I myself will get criticism sometimes from people saying I was too fast or too slow, or I didn't talk about this enough, or I sounded like whatever. And if there's anything I will say to you guys, I try to be as raw, honest, and real as humanly possible with you. And so guess what? All of those complaints are probably true because I'm a person. And this is not a huge production for me. This is a hobby. And that I love it. And I love you guys. The complaints are few and far between. It's mostly my wonderful long-term watchers, friends. And it's just like connecting with a wonderful little community that I don't necessarily get to in real life. So I do recommend this box. I absolutely love it. I can't see me stopping for the foreseeable future. And I highly recommend it to you. So check out the link in the comment below. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys soon.